Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps and the 12 Days of SOAPMAS! The time has come for me to do some nail art. If this is your first video of me you've ever seen, hi. My name is Katie, I am the Duchess of Suds here at Royalty Soaps. This is obviously a soap making channel, but I like to try new things and a lot of you guys apparently like to watch me do that. So I have here a couple of items from Holo Taco, which is Christine from Simply Nailogical's brand. I also will be doing a giveaway of a little set that I purchased for you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Now, I did nail art when I was in high school, but since then I have mainly stuck to going to get them done professionally because I'm not that good at it. And I'm gonna be trying some things today with her nail polish that I have never done before. So let's crack these open. So I got 3 different base coats. I got the long-lasting base, the smoothing base, and the peely base that you can peel off. Of course, I got the glossy taco. I mean, like, this video would be pointless without it. It's mandatory. And then I have 4 different polish colors. I have 2 of the unicorn skins, and I have a white and a black. I wanted to keep it really simple for this video, and we can go a little more crazy maybe in a different video. So here's the deal. My nails suck. I find this is very typical for soap makers. Our hands, we're rough on them. We're washing them all the time. I also have eczema on my hands and it's not a good look. I also peel pomegranates all the time. Now this might be an only me thing. You guys will have to tell me if this happens to you. If you choose to peel a pomegranate, it stains your skin and makes it kind of cracky. So I'm not just saying, oh, my nails and hands are bad. Like, oh, you guys tell me how good they are now in the comments. I really mean it, like they're really bad. I actually am gonna have my iPhone sitting here and kind of doing a different angle. That way you guys can see up close of what I'm actually trying to accomplish. So I'll just take this time to show you guys how bad my nails and skin are. You can see the staining from the pomegranates. You can see the eczema and the little dots there. Like, it's just, they're just not cute. I think what I'm gonna do is 2 accent nails and then the other 3 be a different color. So I'm gonna start with the base coats. I kind of want to use the smoothing one because I do have really kind of wrinkly nail beds because of the eczema, but at the same time, I kind of want to do the peely one because that's fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do the smoothing base on one hand and the peely base on the other hand. Also, yes, there is a sprinkle on the table because I am notorious for moving things out of frame. Okay, so let's do the smoothing base first. Kind of dot a little in the middle and do these sides here. Honestly, I'm not even sure that I'm painting my nails like according to what the professionals say to do. I'm just doing it the way I've always done it, so hopefully I don't ruin something. I feel like anything on my nails is better than nothing because at this point it just looks so bad. Surely anything I do will be an improvement. I also know you're supposed to cap the free edge, but I have like no free edge of which to speak. I will do my best to cap it, but there's just nothing there. Wow, I can tell just by like moving my fingers right now, this actually does look smoother. I'm kind of shocked. Do Mr. Thumb over here. Also, how long are you supposed to wait between coats? Like, I know that there's a cure on lacquer, but is it like 30 minutes or like 5? I feel like I should know this. All right, let's do the peely coat on the other nails. And yes, my other hand is still wet, but you know, that's what you gotta do. Okay, so because I want to be super sure that I don't mess something up, I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes for these to dry, and then we'll come back and put the first coat of polish on it, I suppose. Okay, so I went ahead and let everything dry, and I also put around both my ring finger and my middle finger some of the little like peely stuff. What's this called? Protective peel. Because those are gonna be my accent nails, and I just think that it probably needs that. I also went ahead and painted my thumbs to see if the base coat was dry enough, and I think it is. Here's to hoping. Also, I didn't do that great a job because I will say, this black nail polish is the best I ever have used, and I have used some black nail polish in my day, girl. Believe me. Emo Katie existed at one point, okay, people? She did. Black nail polish was my preferred color of choice, and they always looked really streaky and bad and staining, and yeah, anyways, this is really good. So I'm definitely leaking onto, oh man, this is painful for me to look at. Why is it so hard to paint your non-dominant hand? Like, can y'all see my hands shaking? So I have hereditary shaky hands, like my dad has them and I have them, and every time I try to keep them straight, it's like, no, it just gets way worse. And I'm not even cold. Caleb has complained about this multiple times. He's like, listen, I can't tell when you're actually cold because your hands shake all year round. Okay, last little black nail here. Oh man, I have so much respect for people that can do it on their non-dominant hand. That has just got to be something that either you're born knowing how to do or you just get really good at with practice. Okay, all right, glad that's over. Okay, time for some white. Wonder if the white will be as good. Wow, that is really, really good white. I'm like trying not to breathe when I do this. That's how bad I want these to look good. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I put that protective peel on because this is gonna be a nightmare. So the white is looking a little streaky and a little gunky, and I am 100% sure that is my fault with my application. So here's what I want to do. First, on the black nails, which are almost dry, but they're still leaving kind of a bit like of an imprint when I'm touching them, I want to put on a little bit of this Mad Micah's holographic glitter. I know Christine has holographic glitter you can buy, but this is a loose glitter, and I wanted to see how it would work for me to just kind of, you know, dab it on and then seal it in. I don't know, maybe this is a horrible idea, but I thought I'd try it all the same. I wonder what would happen if I just keep adding it, like get it all over. Ooh, yeah, kind of buff it in. Hey, I like that. That's super shiny. Of course, now I've also got glitter like everywhere, even on the nails I didn't necessarily want it on. So I think for my little pinkies here, I'm just gonna dab a teeny tiny bit on the first like third of the nail, just like that, maybe. Does that look cute or stupid? I don't know. I need like one of those little nail brushes that they use to dust all the glitter off. Let's see. Where's my glitter brush? Ta-da! Yes, let's just dust that right off. Ooh, okay, I kind of like it. Also, while I am dusting some of it off, it appears I am also adding a little bit of Sparkle Me Blue to my fingers. What's this? Where did that come from? So now, what should I do on the white? Maybe let's put one coat of the unicorn skin. Wow, this is so pretty. This unicorn skin polish is what my dreams are made of. It also seems to be covering quite a few flaws, which I'm not upset about. I had some of that cool striping tape. Where did that? Oh yes, here it is. Here's some cool metallic striping tape. Yeah, it's safe to say I have some, but guys, we have a fatality. My middle finger isn't looking so good. When I grabbed these, it wasn't quite dry. Please go back. You were so pretty. Go back. No! I'm too impatient, but also I don't want to just sit around. Like, I'm ready. Come on, let's dry. Let's go. Okay, I think I should opt for the holo tape. Okay, so while my nails are still kind of tacky, don't you think I should try to put the nail tape on now? That way it sticks a little better, right? Right? Oh gosh, I think like this. Oh shoot, oh well, whether I wanted it or not, that's where it is apparently. This could be better. Time for round 2. Maybe this one will go a little smoother. It already seems to be doing so. All right, what do you think? This looks so bad. Well, I guess I should probably put them on the other side and then I guess remove the protective peel. Ooh, protective peel did me right. I'm assuming you want to see this up close. Okay, gonna put the striping tape on the other side, or at least try to, even though I've completely messed it all up at this point. You know, the first time I did nail art, I was in like 4th grade or something. And my mom bought me one of those klutz books, is like KLUTZ, and they had them for nail art and specifically friendship bracelets. That's what I remember anyway. And I was so taken in by like this little ladybug design that was in that book. And I told my mom, yeah, I'm gonna do that ladybug. And she said, that's the hardest one in the book. Why don't you try something a little easier? And I was like, no, Mom, I want to do the ladybug. And I did. I did do the ladybug, and it looked horrible. Okay, last little bit there. Now I can pull the protective layer, I guess, off of these nails. You can see it helped me with the white there, that's for sure. And I cannot for the life of me make this come off in one clean go. I am just, again, rather unskilled. Okay, guys, everything feels relatively hard. I never put glitter on the other thumb, but now it's so dry it's not sticking. What am I doing? This is a mess. Well, regardless, I'm going to top coat the other hand at least. Wow, the top coat makes the holographic glitter from Mad Micah's even more sparkly. Wow, that glossy taco is no joke. That makes it look like I did a way better job than I actually did. Okay, so now that I have the glossy taco on everything, I'm gonna try to put some more holo on that one nail, like a dip powder. Okay, so basically here are the nails. They look pretty good, I guess. I mean, there is definitely much room for improvement, but yeah, that's what they look like. Well, I'm going to go wash my hands and put a little lotion on so they don't look quite as crusty, and then maybe I'll go do a little photo shoot with the nails. Now, obviously, all the polishes I used today were from Holo Taco. You can get them at Christine's website, but I am giving away a set. I will show it to you. It includes a black and white nail polish and a top coat and a base coat. Kind of like the basic set if you wanted to do something similar to what I did today, but hopefully better. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow my personal Instagram and the Royalty Soaps Instagram, and then, of course, like the giveaway post so that I see, oh yes, there they are. They have liked it. Woohoo. Pretty darn simple. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing whatever I was doing today. I hesitate to put nail art in the title because was this really artistic? I don't think so. This was more like soap maker tries to use nail polish and does an okay job. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. This is a very strange video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to try other types of crafts and art forms. Have yourself an absolutely marvelous day, and I will see you tomorrow for another video in the 12 days of SOAPMAS 2020. Bye for now! Yeah.